Hey, it's Brittany Banks, and today we're going to be unboxing the PUR and Barbie Dreamhouse collaboration vault. So today is like a totally carefree Tuesday. As you can see, I have no makeup on. My wig probably needs to be straightened. I'm wearing what looks to be a swimsuit because I think it's real cute. So I really just don't care. So that's what we're going to do today. Okay? Okay. Anyway, moving on. So this is the collaboration. It's the Dreamhouse Vault for, what year is it? It was for last Christmas. I've been meaning to do this video forever. It's okay, I'm doing it now. So this is the product. The packaging is really cool, so I'm going to show you about that. So it's a pretty big box. It's got Never Lose Your Sparkle and then the PUR and Barbie logos together here. And then on the top, it's got a really cool Barbie logo, and you can reuse this box for the makeup or for shoes or for, like, it's a pretty decent size and it's good quality, so in my opinion it'll stand up. So when you open it up here, the top of the lid, or inside the lid, has got the Barbie logo, which I find super cute. And then to find your makeup, only one of the sides, so be careful if you find this out, actually opens up and comes down. And I don't know if you can see, but it has the same Barbie and PUR logo there. And then, as you can see, there's 4 trays with all the makeup in there, and I'm going to be showing you that now. Make sure you stay until the end of the video, because once we unbox all these makeup products, the box packaging actually turns into something even more cute. Anyway, okay, moving on. So the first thing when you reach the shelves, like it's not actually like a shelf, it's just a little tray. Same thing, nothing on the back, but pretty good quality. This is the Magical Eyes Signature Mascara and Primer Collection. So you can see it there. Sorry, I'm trying not to get the light in there. It's really cute. And if you really wanted to, you can store it as an ornament because it's got this little ribbon on the top here for you to do. All right. So inside this comes the full-size, fully charged mascara and full-size, fully charged mascara primer. They're pretty big products, so I think you could get a lot of use out of this. Let me just show you. Here you go. So I'm assuming this is the mascara and this is the primer. Cool. All right, and then that's the back of the box with some instructions and the cute little, all right. So these are actually inserts. I'm not going to drag you through that again. I'm sure you recognize the logo by now. All the trays are the same, the cute pink. So as we go, so now moving on to the second tray, as you can see, here we go, boom, bing, bow. All right, oops. So there's 3 products in here actually. I don't know if you can see, there we go. Same little ornamented background here because it was a holiday sort of themed thing. So if you do notice like ornaments, holiday graphic backgrounds, like that's why. This video old, the makeup old, but it's not old, but I just haven't opened any of it yet. So it's good for I think 6 or 12 months after I open, so I'm good. Anyway, in this tray we have the Confident Glow Signature Illuminating Highlighter and the Barbie Gloss Signature High Shine Lip Gloss, which is my favorite product out of this whole vault. And then lastly, the Iconic Lips Signature Semi-Matte Lipstick. So I'm just gonna show you each of these quickly. So this is the Confident Glow Signature Illuminating Highlighter. And the colors that it has on the back here, I'm just gonna show you, I don't wanna take it out, is that. So it's a little bit purpley and stuff, but if I recall, I opened these before, and as the colors that it shows, it's much more reasonable to what it, like, I don't know who printed these packages, but it's manageable. So anyway, so Confident Glow, the 2 shades in it are Pink Taffy and Bubbly. So, sorry, those are the 2 shades, and this is the front of the box. Cool. All right, and next we have the Iconic Lips Lipstick, which is like this. Same sort of deal. All right, and the shade is Innovator. Get it right in there if you can see. I think this is a little bit darker than before. But anyway, I'm gonna open this just because I really like the way the product is actually like made. So let me show you. If I recall correctly. Yep. Okay. So the outside is really cool. It's like a sandpapery glitter ornament. And then it's got the PUR and Barbie logo. I don't know why I keep saying Burr. Anyway, to open this lipstick, you actually press the top and the bottom shoots out. I don't know if you saw that, watch. Okay. And then you open it, looks really tiny and cute compared to the, right? You roll it out and ba-bam. It's super cute. And it's got the little Barbie emblem on the top there. Super impressed with that. I'm not too much of a lipstick user, but I'm not disappointed with this purchase just because the product is made really cool. Sorry to be like a little dummy about it. Anyway, okay, so lastly is my favorite product out of this whole collection is the PUR and Barbie gloss. It's a signature high shine lip gloss. The shade is Girl Gloss. I'll show you the packaging. Same thing as the lip gloss. I mean, the lipstick just a bit bigger. And same thing with this. So I'm going to show you this just because I love it so much. So with this one, it's actually a button right here. And it looks yellow, but it goes on like really cute. And it stays on for about 2 to 3 hours. So you'll get a lot of use out of it. So when you push the button here, it shoots up. That's so cool. And it's really good. Anyway, so I like the way they designed. The third shelf comes out like this. It's got one product in here, but it's a bit bigger. Same thing. This is the PUR and Barbie Endless Possibilities Signature 15-piece eyeshadow palette. So I'm just gonna see that. All right, so I'm gonna show you the colors on the back. They're really good. They're a lot darker, so yeah, it is a holiday. You can tell it's a holiday makeup product because ain't nobody using these in the summer. Ain't nobody wearing these shadows to the club. Well, you could, but it'd have to be in the night. Like, they're not very neutral shades that you'd use every day. Anyway, so I'm really happy with that. It's a pretty deep palette, so I'm expecting that there'd be a lot of product in there. Ba-boom. Lastly, there's this fourth tray, and we're gonna slide that out now and see what that is. So it's the Barbie and PUR Malibu Blush Signature 6-piece blush palette. Okay, so I really like a blush palette, so I'm happy with that. I'm gonna show you the shades. So again, darker. I think I opened this and they're lighter than they show up on the packaging, so just be aware of that. Like I said, the products are a lot more, they look a lot less everyday usefulness than they actually are. I really enjoy them. So maybe that's just how they work. Anyway, that's that. Same thing as the other one, but just a little bit darker. All right, and I did say at the end of the video to stay tuned because the box would give us another surprise. And it did. So I actually love Barbie because I started collecting, well, my grandma did before I was born and then kind of got me into it. The holiday limited edition Barbies, and then that went on to collecting a couple other Barbies like NASCAR because I was into racing as a kid. Things like that. So, and I still do that now. So I do have a relation to Barbie. I didn't really play with them as a kid at all. I wasn't allowed to, which, how good did that turn out? So anyway, this is the packaging. And so if you have some Barbie dolls, you'll be excited to see this. I don't think you're actually gonna use this, but you might. So it, on the inside, it looks like a little fashion show. And the bottom looks like a little gold carpet. Each side has, actually, I think this side is a fashion show and this side is just a quote. I think, oh yeah, okay, so this one comes down. Yeah, and then it goes right into the corner of just the fashion show thing. So if you have Barbie dolls and you want to do a photo op or something, very cute. And this is magnetic, so it just goes right back up. And you can use it for something else. If you want a toy, you can gift it to somebody else. I really like this packaging, and it also has never lose your sparkle on the side, which I've never, like I said, I didn't really play with Barbie, so I don't know any of their catchphrases. Maybe that's one they use, but I like that because I like sparkles. Okay, Vicky. Anyway, all right, so that's the end of the video. Stay tuned for more story time videos, Quora questions, things of that nature. Anyway, thanks for watching.